The OPPO launched its new series called Reno in April 10, and OPPO will launch many variants expected around 5 that OPPO is going to launch with its sub-brand Reno, that is Reno Lite, Reno Plus, Reno Pro, Reno Zoom and Reno 10, something like that. So in this video, we will talk about the Reno Pro. This particular phone is going to come with 10x optical zoom, triple rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus 2 megapixel 3D camera, and the front selfie camera is around 16 megapixel to take great selfies. This particular phone will be powered by Snapdragon latest 855 processor, and it is expected to come with 8GB and 12GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. The actual cost is not released at all, the details that are available based on rumors and leaks only. Now coming to its display, so the display is expected to be around 6.4 inches Quad HD display, and it is rumored to be come with a Super AMOLED panel. So this will be a complete flagship phone of Reno series. For more information and updates of this series, visit the link given in the description down below. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe my channel for more awesome videos.